Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix retirement savings with Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Fidelity website and create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Fidelity account. Navigate to the retirement planning section. Review your current retirement savings status. Assess your retirement accounts, such as 401k, or IRAs, for performance and contributions. Calculate your retirement savings needs using the provided retirement calculator. Adjust your savings goal based on your desired retirement lifestyle. Evaluate your current contributions, consider increasing them if possible. Explore investment options within your account that align with your risk tolerance. Consider reallocating your investment mix to balance growth and security. Set up automatic contributions to ensure consistent funding. Utilize Fidelity's retirement planning tools for personalized guidance. Engage in regular account reviews, at least annually. Keep track of any changes in income or expenses that may impact your savings. Take advantage of employer match programs if available. Stay informed about investment market trends to make educated decisions. Consider consulting a Fidelity retirement planner for professional advice. Reassess your retirement goals and adjust your strategy as needed. Keep informed about changes in retirement laws that may affect your savings. Stay committed to your retirement plan for long-term financial security. Review your estate plan to ensure your wishes are clearly outlined. Monitor your progress and celebrate milestones along the way. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.